everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I'm in the same sweatshirt I was in yesterday because I was too lazy to change. Today it's gonna be just like a clean with me kind of day. I'll take you to each, or well, most of the rooms, and you'll just watch me clean because Thanksgiving happened, we got really lazy, and we did not clean once this weekend except for, we didn't clean once at all. So the house is kind of messy. That's kind of the main point of the video. Maybe I'll do like a cook with me portion, I don't know. Right now I'm just gonna get dressed, go to the gym because I haven't gone in like 3 weeks, which is really bad, and yeah, hopefully I can stick to it this time. I was good for 2 weeks, and then I had drill, a 4-day drill, and we were waking up like at 3 in the morning, and I had just no motivation to go to the gym or to even get out of the house once I came back. So there's that. And it's been about 2 weeks because I've just been lazy. So I have to end the year with like at least just starting to go to the gym. So hopefully next year I'm very dedicated to the gym because like I wish I was more toned up. I want that like nice definition. I want some nice, you know, juicy legs and all of that. I guess so I'm not just talking like I was in yesterday's video. I'll give you a tour of this room. This is gonna be my office. So when you walk in, this is the front door. It leads into the closet, which has no doors for some very odd reason. We just got this blue couch on OfferUp, I believe, or like Let Go, or one of those kind of websites. This is actually a pull-out couch, which we really wanted because this room is going to be my office plus a guest room for whenever we have like overnight guests. So this is a pull-out couch, and it's blue. I just wanted an accent color because the room is white and I just needed something, you know? Then I have this dresser that actually came with the house. It was this like really dark like navy blue color, I believe, and I just painted it white with some paint that was left behind. And they had this rose gold spray paint, which is really pretty, so I spray painted the handles. And this is just like my makeup dresser. I have my everyday makeup in the first drawer, highlighters and lipsticks in the second drawer, eyeshadows in the third drawer, and then like a whole bunch of miscellaneous things in the bottom drawer. This is the mirror that I broke because I break everything. I look at it and it breaks. That's pretty much all in the room so far. I'm still looking on like OfferUp or just any website that I can, especially like it being Black Friday and Cyber Monday and all these Christmas sales going on, for a desk and a bookshelf, hopefully. This room is going to be very simple because like I said, it is going to be a guest room, so I'm not trying to put a whole bunch of crazy stuff in here. So yeah, it'll be the pull-out couch, the desk and the bookshelf, a chair obviously for the desk, and then my makeup dresser. And hopefully we can get some closet doors in because I hate this open closet thing because it just looks so like disorganized, I feel. So yeah, and I'm also gonna paint the walls white. Right now they're kind of like an off-white, yellowish kind of thing, and I want it to be white, like a stark white room. I'm gonna have pretty much all the color is gonna come from decorations and like a rug and the couch and the furniture and all that. So yeah, I'll keep updating you as this room comes along, and then we'll see like the very first reveal hopefully someday. So I'm gonna get dressed for the gym and I'll catch you guys when I get back. Hey guys, so I just got back from the gym. I wore the same sweater I've been wearing for like the last 2 days, and all I did was really just change into some workout pants because I had these gray pajamas with stars on them. All I did was run because it's like, that's usually what I do when I'm trying to get back into the gym. I ran for 2 miles, and then I like walked / jogged for about a half mile, so 2.5 miles in total. That took me about 26 minutes because I walked for 5 minutes. I ran for like 19 minutes and 30 seconds. I sprinted for like a minute or two, and then I finished with a 5-minute walk. So yeah. I drank my protein when I got back home. We barely had any left, so probably won't really do anything. I have my coffee now. I actually had a coffee before I went to the gym, so I wasn't on a completely empty stomach, which is still bad. You should, you know, just drink coffee before the gym. But I have my coffee with creamer, just in the same protein bottle I used. And then I have a piece of toast with peanut butter and honey. I actually had 2, but I finished the first one before I realized I wasn't vlogging. So yeah, I'm just gonna shower, get ready for the day, and then we'll do the clean with me part of the video. Alright, so I'm back from my shower. I'm all dressed in comfies. I have this like knitted long sweater, and then I have sweats on, which, let me see. I have I have sweats and I have my little house slippers. So I'm just gonna spend the day cleaning and making sure that the house looks nice. This is where the time lapse is gonna begin. I'm gonna keep moving from room to room. So just please enjoy me cleaning and enjoy the video. Alright, so usually my main area of focus is like this open area that's our like kitchen, dining room, living room, because this is what people will see the most, especially that hallway there. This is also just kind of like a maintenance clean. It wasn't like a deep clean, so that's why I didn't move around any furniture. I'm not gonna mop either because it's rainy season, and like I can mop and 2 seconds later, like with the dogs shedding, their fur is just gonna stick to the ground again, and them running in and out from going to the bathroom is just gonna get muddy. So I'm not even gonna bother. I do it like once a week just so it doesn't get too gross, and that's about it. What's up, guys? It's a little bit later in the day. Day's pretty much done. I'm just cooking dinner so that when hubby gets home from work, he has something yummy to eat, and I'm also editing the vlog right there as I'm cooking. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I think all I'm gonna do after this is like include a little snippet of Logan and I eating, and then we'll say our farewells for the day. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the second time I recorded because I forgot to hit record the first time. This is our dinner. It's just chicken soup because it's a cold day. The first bit was so much funnier. I'm so upset. Anyways, my hubby's home. Why do I always forget to do this? Hubby's home. We usually eat dinner on the couch, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. He's not usually in front of the camera, so he's being a little weird. Plus he's hungry. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. You have to say it too.
Ah.